true surface, triangle, millimeter surface. Up. With your scissors, so stronger.
Peekaboo! A peekaboo! Peekaboo! Ate, your water, ate. Here. Yeah. Can you get up? Look. Careful, Nak. Your shoes is dirty, Nak. Baby, take these shoes off.
I want to go to the butt.
No, can you drink one of them?
Oh.
Come on. You drink water and then you can go.
Jup and all that.
Oi! Get up. Good girl. She's so good now, Tita and Tito. She's drinking a lot of water too. Whoa! It's now 2:40 ng hapon. Uy! Wala, kurat, Nak. Siging. We're going out, guys. Hinintay lang namin si Daddy Mark sa toilet. Yeah.
This is my winter cup.
Yes, that's your trophy. Well, you can share with Weenie. You can share with Weenie.
Which hand?
Left.
Which hand got the winter cup?
That one. Yes.
No, it doesn't.
No.
No, it doesn't have it.
Are you sure?
No.
Are you lying, Paris?
No, Ma, you can't see.
Okay.
Choose another one.
That one.
No.
That one.
No.
Ang sarap sa buhok, Nak. Oh?
I never give you this one.
Okay, that one. Andiyan to pala yung ano niya, guys, oh.
Okay, Ma, choose another one.
But you know what, guys? She was very, very brave. Nak, you were very brave, Nak, no? Because when they took out the tube sa kanyang ilong, she was there.
Mommy,
she was, you know,
Mommy,
aware.
you can choose another one.
Okay, that one. Yeah, you moved it. You're trying to trick me. Ate Paris is trying to trick me, Nak. Ate Paris is trying to trick me.
I get her.
Are you ready, Selene? Kick. Toe, little toes. Little toes. Good job. Good job. Dala ako nito, guys.
Do you know I don't like the nuts?
Go. Please.
Oh, okay.
Press G.
See?
Well done, my love. Well done, sweetie. Okay, our quit for today.
Don't push her hard on the stomach, though. Just tickle her like this.
Gentle, anak. We're here. We're out. Umuulan kaninang umaga. Ayusin yung scooter na? Mag-scooter daw si Ate Paris siya kasi Daddy. Yan. Careful, Nak! Pupunta pala kami ng art gallery, guys. We're just gonna go walk. Oh, what's going on? So this is the garden. Botanical garden. Dinala ko to para pang snap-snap ni Ate Paris, guys. Habang naglalakad. Did you push it, nak?
No, that is it.
Okay. Keep going. Give her the dummy, Bob. Okay, wait, right there. This one here, there. Slowly lang daw sila ni Daddy sa kanya para makasunod kami ni baby sila. Very sleepy girl na yan.
Kaya put this on first.
So ito yung kanilang mode of transportation.
You're happy.
Are you happy?
The bike is still running.
Aww. Good. Ganito. So you have to, I think you have to, did you have to download the thing, Bob? The app? Lovely. Come here. Daddy will come back. This is pretzel now. Sleepy na ang baby ni Mama. Sabi po, baby. Alam niyo ba guys na sabi ko kay Daddy Mike kanina, I'm starting to feel that yung vertigo ba? Yun nga siguro yung stress yung nakakapag-trigger, kaya ngayon parang feel ko na naman na nahihilo ako ba? Sana mawala din to siya, guys. Kasi yun lang maisip ko, guys, dahilan bakit ko napifeel ulit ito, kasi I have been really good for for a week now. Actually, more than a week. Hindi ko na yun nararamdaman yung paghilo-hilo ko ba. But ngayon, because of what happened, kaya Ate Paris nga, na-stress ako and then, yeah, feel dizzy again.
Hold it.
Sure, my love.
I can't worry about my outfit.
Okay. How about you, Daddy? Ayan, oh. Parang umaalog-alog na naman yung feeling ko, guys. Take care, Paris! Enjoy! Just slowly, Daddy, okay? We're going now. Okay, sleepy na rin to. Hold on, Ate Paris. Ang layo na nila, guys. Tingnan niya. Tingnan sila. Pero slowly lang yan sila kasi takot si Daddy Mark ba? Si Paris. Dito naman ang isa, I put the white noise para makatulog kasi payak-iyak na. Super relaxing maglakad-lakad dito ba? Ang ganda ng kanilang paligid-ligid. Tingnan nyo, oh. May isang mami doon, picnic sila. We're on the other side of the bridge now, of the river. And we just stopped here for a drink. Ayan. And then, Daddy Mike's carrying Celine now kasi ayaw na ayaw niya na dito sa kanyang pram, guys. She was crying. I had to carry her out and then, push yung pram at the same time. Yes? What are you looking at? Careful na, careful na. What are you looking at, Celine? Yes, ate. Iba rin si ate. What are you doing there? Hmm? This way? Huh? I can. Yes, I can. Have a look. Very nice. Come here.
Take your hands up from the pram. Please.
What did you say?
Go over there.
Where?
There. And you will try to catch me.
Got you.
You can't get me. Why you shouldn't do that?
Have a look at the pram. It's moving now. The pram is moving by itself.
Why you shouldn't do that?
Why not? I'm trying to catch you.
Try to get me.
Yeah. I got you.
Get me. Get me.
Come on, Celine is here.
I swore the museum was here. And it says here, look.
Oh, we lost?
It says South Brisbane.
May koala bear dito, guys. Tingnan niyo ang koala bear, oh. Yan siya, nagpakarga sa kanyang daddy. Ito siya.
Yeah. The collective markets are open Fridays, late Friday and Saturday nights. Let's have a look.
Oh, which way? This way?
Yeah.
Ayan, we'll go this way. Yay! Super nice, diba, guys? Super green.
Wait, I'm gonna go in the side of the pram.
Yeah.
Markets come out.
That's good. Gonna go inside? Yeah, you're not a baby anymore.
Let her go inside.
This might break.
It won't break, Bob.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, go sit.
No,
Sat in there before.
I have to take my shoes.
No, don't.
No, I
Yeah,
did
sure.
before. I take my shoes off.
Okay, take yours off.
Mommy.
Okay.
I definitely don't want to be baby.
Okay. Ready. Put it here.
Why?
Yes, Nana.
When I finish, when I say when I say I'm finished going to your pram, I'll come out. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that a great idea?
You have to sit down properly. It's a great idea, yes. In the middle, Nak. In the middle. Because it might tip. There you go. Good girl. Okay, we're going.
Now.
Don't get used to it, honey, because it's not your pram.
Yeah. Wala pa kasi yung ano dito, guys. Dapat sana i-convert na namin to sa sitting position. Kaya lang, yung part nito na kailangan gamitin is nandun sa storage. So we have to wait until we move to our place before we can do it.
There's a part, yeah. I think.
I think it's there. Oh, love it, guys. Tingnan nyo. Meron silang ganyan-ganyan. Oh, yung market. Pag Friday afternoon, Friday night. So last year, nung nagbisita kami dito, guys, I was loving it. That's good.
Remember I went here?
I remember that, honey.
Remember I went to see a road and
Yeah, have a look at this mirror. Oh, that's the corner. I told you. Where are you going now, Paris? Park. So my park dito is somewhere. Somewhere down the road. So ang ating baby Celine ay sleeping girl. Ayan. Gustong-gusto ni Ate Paris na maglaro sa park. So we're just gonna go to the market there. Diyan. Pag medyo ano na, kasi mag-start yata mga 6 o'clock. We're loving the weather here, guys. Every day. Pwede kang makapag-short. Sleeveless. Ayan, dali oh! Agad ah. Good. Ano? Malaki. Malaking space ng laruan nila dito. Ayan na. Ate Paris is there. Ate, can you see us, Ate? Paris, can you see us? Ay, gising na rin ang ating baby Celine, guys. Kita natin. Here. Hello. I'm awake. How was your nap, my love? Hmm? How was your nap? How was your nap? Enjoy na enjoy ang ating Ate Paris. Taas. Did you enjoy the park, na?
Yeah, but I really want to go with the right down.
Where?
I want to go with the right down.
Oh. Can you sing the surface, na?
Under the surface, under the surface, triangle, really, really surface.
Tip, what was that?
Up. Oh. With your scissors, so stronger.
Who am I?
I can take.
No mistakes. I'm going to have a look at the market now, guys. Anong oras na ba? What's the time, Nak? Tell me.
It's 5. 0. 6.
Thank you. It's 5:06 in the afternoon.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
You just read it to me.
I really want to go to Scooter, Daddy.
Should I what?
Scooter.
Scooter?
We'll go on the way. When we're going back home, we'll go on the scooter. We're not going back home yet.
Still have a look at here. Let's see, maybe we can find you a hat, a nice hat.
Or a swimsuit.
Oh, yes. That's right.
Wow.
So it's just here, guys, yung kanilang mga
I got a bow one.
stalls. Which one?
I got a bow one.
A bow one?
Yeah, a bow like one in the hair.
Olay.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I got that one.
Silini. Silini.
Smiling?
Yeah. Go have a look. What's available?
Ooh.
Put the mask on now.
Ooh.
It's so soft.
Yeah. Just like my hands, Daddy. Oh, that's cute. I love the prints. So, oh yeah, this is cute.
Mine.
Okay. Oh, put it back on again. Oh, this is... How much is it? I'm put for $19.
Ah.
I don't know.
Ah, it's been melting.
Smells so good. Doesn't it?
Hi.
Yes, careful, happy. Popsicle. Popsicle. Smells so good.
Hi.
Oh, careful, Anna. Happy. Come here. This way. Oh no, thank you for showing, my love. Smell it?
Look at these, Mommy. There's a kiwi one.
Is that kiwi?
One. A pink smiley face one. Cake one. And this two.
Smells good, doesn't it?
And there's the star one. There's the bubble one. Here's the orange one.
You should smell it.
The triangle one.
You should smell it.
In the rainbow.
Lorraine, you smell this one. Which one, Mommy?
Oh, this is small one, my love.
Can I have a look at this one?
What age were you looking for?
3.
3. So 1 to 3 years
Yeah.
is these 2 piles.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, have a look at the
3
pink.
to 6 years is those 2.
Okay, perfect.
Honey, yeah.
Mama.
Ate.
That's 3 to 6 years and 1 to 3 if
Yeah.
you like.
Yes, Silly.
Cars.
Paris,
You
come
like
on.
these ones or not? Come have a look.
Which one would you like?
Flower.
Here, you have to choose.
Out of these 2.
See the flower or the
Wait.
mushroom? Baby, put it on. Look at mommy. Ah, no, you have to.
Hey.
Wow, that's nice. Wow, bumili si Paris ng ano, mystery packet. Ganyan ba? Yung laman is yan. Tapos lizard. And then ito.
So cute.
So cute.
Mommy,
No more.
H2O.
So colorful. Huh? Yes, na?
I want to open this.
Okay. You can start with that.
No, I
Let's go. We're nearly there. See? We nearly finished it. Good job. I love your hat, Nak. Which hat na guys? Oh, finish that one.
I got a leather
It's
one.
really hot.
I got a leather one.
Wow. Look. So soft na. Look. It sticks na. Come. Super colorful. Grabe ka colorful guys. Huh?
I got a leather one.
Yeah, little lizard.
Weenie weenie.
It's so stretchy. Come on.
And this is my, and it's so squishy.
Let's go bring it up here because we're having a look up here.
It's a squishy.
Come here. Let me touch it.
Come on, go look at those ones.
Baby, let me touch it.
Oh, it's cool here.
Oh my god. It looks like real. I know. Come on. Let's go. Tingnan nyo ang ating baby Selena. Bilangkad pa more. So we are going to walk home now, guys. So we'll have to cross that bridge. Back to our hotel somewhere there. Tingnan nyo, oh. Nearly, ano na, 6 o'clock? Still lots of people out. Tignan nyo, paapa-imo. Pori biyag. Pori biyag. Gusto ni Paris mag-scooter ulit guys, pauwi. Kami na naman ni Baby Celine ngayon maglalakad. Hopefully, she won't cry kasi kanina nagpa-karga guys. Have to carry her tapos push pa ang pram. Mom life. Alis na sila guys. Oh. Kami na lang Baby Celine dito. Maglalakad kami lang. Nak na. You don't be naughty for mommy, nak ha. Nak ha. Okay na, nak ha. Belle, oy. She loves her daddy. Boo. Did you fart, Celine? Did you fart, Celine? Did you fart? Fart here. Play with your... It's a little bit hot. Careful, she might roll, huh?
And the plastic bag.
Still a bit hot, even if my... Ano eh? My... ano ba to? 20. Maybe we'll put it 20. Ding. Hi, Ate. Hi, Ate. Hi, Ate. How are you? Good. That's good.
I love the popcorn.
That's good. Ito yung ano namin sa kanya, guys. So, dessert kasi ano siya, ang tawag dito? Corn lang talaga siya by itself. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's good for ano daw. So, Daddy, fiber? Fiber? So, walang halong ano ba? Corn lang talaga siya ba? Good girl. Why you all three have the same faces? Paris, look at here, anak. Celine, look at Mama. Daddy, look at Mama. Daddy, look at Mama. Celine. Mamaya ko na yan siya bisan, guys. Nandiyan yung damit niya, oh. Very ano kasi, ang tawag dito. Very mainit pa rin kahit na ano, may aircon dito sa loob.